everyone, how you doing today? My name's Eric. As always, I appreciate you coming by and checking out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make smoked turkey breast on a pellet smoker. Now we're in January, the holidays have come and gone, and I was going in through the grocery store kind of figuring out what I wanted to cook this week, and I saw they had these frozen turkey breasts on sale because they obviously bought too many and they had them left over, so they had them marked down. And I thought, man, this would be a great thing to cook on my pellet smoker today. Now, I did a smoked turkey breast probably a couple months ago, and I cooked it on my Autocamato Acorn grill, and it came out good. But I've never cooked one on a pellet smoker, so I'm going to try it on a pellet smoker and kind of see if it's a difference in flavor, because the Autocamato uses real charcoal, and I put pieces of cherry wood in there, and this is just going to be using pellets, so I'm going to try to see if I can get that same kind of smoky flavor. But anyway, super easy recipe. You have the turkey breast, you have some olive oil spray. If you don't have the spray, you can just use the olive oil and brush it on the skin, and then use a seasoning of your choice. I'm using the Hay Grill Hay Sweet Barbecue Rub. My wife bought me a couple rubs from Hay Grill Hay. If you haven't checked out Susie's channel, YouTube channel, I'll leave a link below. I made a wonderful smoked cheese ball featuring this rub, and it came out really good. And I just think this will be a good addition to this turkey breast. So stick around, guys. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright guys, so I took the turkey breast out of the package, rinsed it off real well. Now if you have a tray like this, it makes it real easy. Put it on the smoker, take it off on the smoker. I'm also using this so if obviously some of the seasoning is going to fall off so I don't dirty up my cutting board. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by turning it over. I'm trying to do this with one glove because I want the other hand for applying the rub. Okay, so here we are. A little bit of olive oil spray. We just want a little something for it to stick to. And like I mentioned, Hay Grill Hay Sweet Barbecue Rub. Okay? So I'm just going to sprinkle this generously on all sides. And you know how this works, guys. It's not complicated at all. Let's flip it over, do this side. And this is a big piece of meat. And the hardest part about smoking turkey or chicken is basically trying to keep that skin crispy. So what I'm going to do, I'm smoking it at a little higher temperature. Normally, you know, I smoke around 250 or 225. I'm going to cook this at 250, and then maybe the last little bit of cooking time, I'll crank it up to like 350, just to kind of hopefully crisp up the skin. Here we go, guys. Let me continue. Just get this one more side. We'll be back in a second. Alright guys, here it is. Seasoned up. I just pulled my pellet smoker out and I got it, I'm heating it up now, like I said, to 250 degrees. I'm going to put in a temperature probe here and I'll meet you guys outside. Alright guys, there it is. Like I said, I got the smoker set at 250. I got my new Armitor A1 wireless meat thermometer in there. I did a separate review on that, so I'll leave a link below if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, probe's in it. Ready to go, 250. We'll close the door. We're going to give this, I'm not sure how long this will take. We'll probably give it at least a couple hours, I'm thinking, before I'll have to crank it to 350. Alright guys, I'm going inside. It's cold out here. Alright guys, drink review time. Badger Porter. And for those of you that don't know, I live in Wisconsin. They call it the Badger State. This is made by Sand Creek Brewing Company out of Black River Falls, Wisconsin. It says velvetly smooth ale brewed with a duo of Belgium and American dark roasted malts. So that's what I'm having. So I want to thank Monica Powell for providing me this beer. She gave me a bunch of beers for Christmas, and she bought some kind of beer kit where they give you a bunch of different beers to try, kind of like an advent calendar. And she's not a big fan of the darker beers, so she asked me, do you want these? I said, sure. Sand Creek Brewing Company. It's been a while since I had a porter. I don't see the alcohol content anywhere. But anyway, as always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by and watching my video. Cheers. Can't really smell anything. Alright, yeah. Definitely a little bit of maltiness to this. It's very smooth. Very smooth for a porter type beer. You see the color there? It's not super dark, but I actually like this. This is actually very smooth. Sometimes these darker beers can be a little bit bitter. So I'm definitely going to be enjoying this, guys. I appreciate you stopping by and watching my video. Cheers again. I'm going to have some delicious turkey breast coming up in just a minute. Alright guys, we're at around 2.5 hours. Let's take a look. See how this turkey breast is looking. Wow. Look at this, guys. I did crank it up to 350. It's been around maybe 20 minutes. Yeah, it's looking good. Saying internal temperature right now is 123, so we got a little bit of time. There we go, guys. We'll keep it, letting it do its thing. Alright guys, we are right at around 3 hours. Part of it's my fault. It's 23 or 24 degrees right now, and I think I should have set it a little bit higher because I think this pellet grill is having a hard time keeping up. So let's take a look here. I did turn it up to 350 around a half hour ago just because I wanted to crisp up that skin. Wow, look at this, guys. Alright, so let's do a couple of temperature readings. This probe is telling me it's 154. So let's kind of go right there and see. 155, 156, okay. Let's go over here. Well, that's 146. Go here. See, different parts. We want to get everything up to at least 160, and then we'll remove it, cover it with foil. Look at all that juice coming out. But you know what I'm going to do in the meantime? Since we're kind of close, this isn't probably going to take too much longer. Didn't mean to step in the light there. Oh, see, some of that juice is... So what I'm going to do now, some more of that olive oil spray. Just trying to help this maybe help it kind of crisp up that skin a little bit. Alright guys, we'll give it a little bit more time to come up to temperature. Alright guys, it just beeped that it's 160. So let's see. If it is, we can remove it. Alright, let's move this out a little bit. Let's see here. Alright. Alright, 164. Looks good. Not quite 160. Not quite 160. Not quite 160. Okay, you know what? It's close. I got it cranked up to 350. The smoke is rolling. I'm going to reset that probe to go off at 165, which will probably bring everything up a few degrees as well. We'll go from there. Alright guys, I think this turkey breast is ready. I kind of pushed it over in the corner. I want to kind of get nice and crispy. Wow, look at this. Let's pull this out so you guys take a look. I'm sorry the lighting's not the greatest. But let's just take a couple temperature readings. Let's see where we're at. Give me a second here. Let me turn this thing around. Alright. Oh, I decided to smoke it there. Well, 167, that's definitely done. Let's go back here. 157.8, 158. Okay, you know, I think this is done. I'm going to take it aside. Yeah. You want to be at least 160, we'll cover it with foil. Yeah, this is done. Alright, guys. I'll pull this rack out. I'll meet you guys inside. Alright, guys, I've had it covered with foil for around 15 minutes. Let's take the foil off. Take a look. Wow. Ooh, it smells smoky. Alright guys, let me get a knife. We'll slice into this. Give it a taste. Alright guys, let's slice into this. It's been resting for a while. Let's see. Oh man. Take a piece there. I don't know if you can see how juicy that is. My goodness. All right. My thumb got a thumbprint on that piece. Oh man, I can tell. It smells so smoky. All right, let me continue to slice this, guys. We'll be back with the family. Give this a sample in just a minute. Man, oh man. Well, you can see how juicy that is. All right, guys. Be back in a minute. Welcome back, everyone. I'm here with my wife, Monica.
Hi.
I sliced some up here. And look, on my last video I did with the turkey breast, I injected it. I know people, you can brine it for 24 to 48 hours. I took the easy way out. I defrosted it, put it on the smoker, and this is what we have right here. Okay, so
It smells really good. It looks really good.
yeah, it does. Okay, grab a piece.
I almost don't want to like ruin this perfection.
Grab a piece. Got a napkin here.
Hey, you took my skin piece.
Yeah, take it.
All right.
All right.
I love the skin.
We got a lot of skin pieces here.
Love it.
All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Mmm.
Oh wow.
You can definitely taste the smoky flavor, huh? Mm.
Oh. What seasoning did you use on this?
No, I used that Hay Grill Hay.
Oh, Susie.
That one you bought for me, yeah. Hay Grill Hay Sweet. This stuff.
That is really, really spot on.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the seasonings are perfect that you would expect in smoky barbecue.
Yeah.
But just with a kick of sweet, but not too sweet.
A little bit of sweet, but not too sweet.
I really, really like that. So far, both of the ones I've tried of hers are really good. We're going to have to get more of those, Susie.
Yeah, and she's got some sauces too. You know, try.
Oh, man.
All right.
This is really good. And it's very moist.
Mm-hmm.
I like that. Oh, my God.
And look, guys, if you can pick up one of these after the holidays on sale, go for it. Super easy. I took the easy way out. No brining. I just, defrosted it, seasoned it, put it on the smoker. Easy as that.
This is really, really good. And that's one thing I can't stand is dry turkey.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, you're trying to get it down.
Well, it's nice having the turkey breast because that's like kind of the best meat. You can just slice it. You don't have to worry about all the rest of it. And it's easier to cook, faster to cook, you know, as well.
But do you ever go places and get turkey and you, like, need something to like wash it down, give it more flavor, or give it more flavor because it's like bland? This is like anything but that.
No, because you got that smoky flavor with that seasoning. It's very good.
It is really good.
As always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by. If you like the video, please hit the like button. This logo on my shirt is the logo on the bottom of the screen there. If you click on that, it allows you to subscribe to my channel. Please do that because it helps my channel grow.
And then it keeps his wife well fed and his family.
And check out my website. I'll leave a link below as well, ericsmokingbbq.com. I have all my recipes, photos, and links to all the videos. Check it out, man. I would appreciate it.
Yes, please do.
All right, guys. As always, we appreciate you stopping by. We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Oh, this is good.
It is good.
It's just perfectly cooked. Oh, Kyle's gonna like this.
Yeah.